Beirut is a gateway of the Middle East, characterized and developed as a port city. Until the recent explosion of 2020, it functioned as a hub for import, storage and transshipment, becoming a point of exchange for goods, people and cultures. The blast wiped away the port and part of the city. Ground Zero is refunctioned as a lively housing neighborhood with public functions. The catastrophe made it possible to reimagine the notion of the port, sustainable, efficient and optimized. Optimization of the port makes room for public spaces for Beirutians. The proposal Beirut Anchored focuses on the port as an anchor between the historical city center and development of the adjacent landfill. Utilizing this zone as a fresh start, the strategy focused on the following infrastructural, social and environmental aspects. First, the lack of connectivity and green spaces resulted in isolated communities. Second, the toxicity of the area due to soil, river and industrial contamination. The transformation begins as the parking garage reorganizes the mobility scheme of the port at the entrance area, also improving the truck loading system to improve the efficiency of the port. Following, isolated functions resulting from which borders are breached with green public spaces as three main axes. Through affordable housing, the Green Line will be prolonged in order to improve the connection of Rumail and Karantina. The cleaning of the river allows the polluted riverside to be transformed into public space and serves as a pedestrian access for the adjoining neighborhoods towards the estuary. A new creative digital campus will be developed through a fashion creation office and post-digital depot. The Fashion Creation Office aims to revive Beirut's fashion industry while creating workspaces for the community. Post-Digital Depot translates the cultural heritage of the city into an interactive digital database. The Green Spine allows dense residential neighborhoods to breathe on the landfill. The strip is supported by residential functions cutting through the industrial border, connecting the most densely populated district in the Middle East to the waterfront. The landfill functioned as a prototype of sustainable production and an equitable neighborhood with a public waterfront. Agriculture School educates upcoming generations about sustainable methods of food production. The algae power plant, in response to the current energy crisis, aims to generate an independent source of energy using seaweed as photobioreactors, powering the master plan. These facilities function together as an ecopark, becoming the backbone of the landfill. The pedestrian promenade connects the development of the landfill with the creative estuary, port and the city. The Water Sports Center contributes to the goal of opening the waterfront as a recreational facility to the public. The strategy aims to blend segregated zones around the port of Beirut into each other, around the point of intersection anchoring Beirut.